today my model goes through a pretty big makeover. He's got longer hair on top, sides and back are undercut. What we do is we cut the top down. We left it a little bit longer, but we still cut it down quite a bit. And then we faded the sides and back so that it could blend from the sides up to the top so my model could wear it to the side. That's what he wanted to go for. He wanted to go for a makeover that he could part and then brush back and have that hair flow back into the side. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comments section below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much again for watching. So here is the before of my model's haircut. Now, as you can see, my model has longer hair up on top, and the sides and back are undercut. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the sides and back quite tight, but leave some length on the top. We're definitely going to cut the top, but we're going to leave some length up at the top. So the very first thing I'm going to do is remove a lot of the bulk on the sides and back. Now, what I'm doing here is I've attached the smallest guard that I have onto my clippers. I don't know exactly how short I want to take the sides and back, but I do know that I want to take them at least as short as the smallest, tightest guard that I have to attach to my clippers. Now, turns out by the time the haircut was said and done, I actually took the sides even shorter, but I didn't know that in the beginning. I knew that I wanted to take them short, but I wasn't sure how short, so I did it in phases. So the first phase is just basically removing all of the bulk on the sides and back, utilizing the tightest guard that I have that I can attach to my clippers. So now I am doing the hairline on the back, but I've removed the guard. So now I've just got the clipper without a guard, taking that hairline nice and tight. Alright, so now I've got my clippers and I'm going to do the exact same thing I just did to the back hairline to the hairline on the sides above the ear. it is time to take my trimmers and refine that hairline even more. You see, the clippers take the hair pretty short, but the trimmers take it down even shorter. So I'm just going to use my trimmers and work my way around the hairline, over the ear, on the back by the neck, all the way to the other ear to just make sure that the hairline is nice and tight. So now that I have completed utilizing the trimmers around the outline, I'm going to take my clippers again and just fade out, just blend out that little line that we just created when we utilize the trimmers. You see, the trimmers cut the hair shorter than the clippers just got done cutting it. So when we utilize the trimmers, it created a small little line. So I'm just going through and blending out and fading out that line that we just created. Alright, so something that I like to do is I like to utilize scissor over comb to blend in the sides and back up to the top. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just working my way around the head utilizing some scissor over comb. So now it is time to cut the top of the haircut, and the first thing I'm going to do is blend in the top with the sides, utilizing my fingers. So as you can see, I'm taking the section from ear to ear, from side to side, and then I'm going to just simply hold the hair in my fingers and blend in the sides up to the top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take sections going across the top of the head, pulling the hair up and cutting the length on top. Now I'm not cutting it super short because we want to leave some length up here because my model wants to dress his hair parted to the side. So we want to leave a little length up there to do that. So you can see I'm over directing the hair back, creating some length there at the front of the haircut. Now I'm just cutting the bangs, also known as the fringe, just creating a length a little bit higher than the eyebrow, just in the event my model's hair comes flying forward, maybe the wind blows it, maybe he goes to the swimming pool and the hair falls down in his face. I don't want it to fall past his eyes, so I'm just creating a length there at the front. He's not going to dress it forward, he is going to dress it back, but in the event it does fall forward for any particular reason, it's not going to fall in his eyes. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut and it is now time to dress the hair. So I'm just putting some product in the top and I'm just styling it, utilizing my fingers, kind of pushing the hair back and to the side. My model wanted to wear this hairstyle back and to the side, and so that's exactly what I'm doing. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more future content. Thanks so much for watching.